And welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidre. The best of Jamaica's culture on display last night at the Carifesta 14th Expose. The event held at the Little Theatre in Kingston saw guests in attendance being given a treat to some of the performances that were on display at Carifesta 14 that was held in Trinidad and Tobago this August. Jamaica's 168-strong delegation was headed by the Minister of Culture and Entertainment, Olivia Grange, and included artisans, fashion designers, writers and publishers, dance companies, theatre groups and gospel performer Kevin Downswell. The Carifesta Expose featured Lakadco Movements, Ashe Academy, NDTC, Stella Morris, Quilt, Dufton Shepherd, Daly Harris, among other performers.
A Jamaica will come from, a Jamaica will come from, and we don't rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we read in the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful.
And that is why at Rent a Friend, we provide the bucketive when support is locative.
Minister Grange, in her speech, stated that this year's staging of Carifesta saw the largest delegation that represented our culture in Trinidad.
There were about 200 artists who made up the trip to Trinidad, supported in part by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. And believe me when I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, we will mash up Trinidad.
She noted the importance of the cultural and creative industry.
So this evening, we give you a little taste of our outstanding performances at Carifesta 14.
The Caribbean Festival of Arts, also known as Carifesta, has reinforced the common social and historical bonds of the region's people. Carifesta is considered a manifestation of Caribbean culture and Caribbean identity and a tool to strengthen our Caribbeanness. Now, Sherlyn Russell is the winner of the Digicel 2019 Rising Stars competition. The live finale of the talent competition Digicel Rising Stars Season 16, held on Sunday, saw contestants Sherlyn Russell and Celicia Ellis competing for the title. However, Sherlyn Russell secured the votes and emerged the winner.
You make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman.
Flying is flying without wings, 'cause you're my special thing. I'm flying without wings.
I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I hope that I will just be an inspiration to you in the future through songs and through anything that I can do.
The show also had performances from top entertainers including saxophonist Dean Fraser, former Rising Star winner Short Boss Craigie T, and the Sauce Boss Kimar Haikon. Sherlyn Russell joins the ranks of Digicel Rising Stars winners, including Romain Virgo and Christopher Martin. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidre. Thank you for watching.